What's up, man?
Damn, cuz, come on, man.
What?
Let's go, get it.
What?
Yeah, come on, throw freestyle down right now.
You want me to freestyle?
Yeah,
nigga?
we at the park right now.
Dude, I just smoked a blunt.
Yeah, dude, I know, come on, cuz.
Fucking man.
Right now. We at the park chilling right now.
Really? At the
Yeah,
park?
tell
I
them.
just wanted to relax, smoke the blunt.
Yeah, man, you gotta let them know what it is.
Come on, nigga. Damn,
You gotta
bro.
tell them, come on.
Right. If I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it dissing this motherfucking kid Nick who takes dick because he was dissing on my boy TJ. He's a false claiming crip for everyone to know. But I don't know, let me go with some shit like, nigga, you a fake ass wannabe crip. You ain't about that life, nigga. You ain't about shit. You're over there in Golden Gate sucking niggas' dicks. Come across the bridge, nigga, get your ass split. You talked about my nigga. You talked about my team. Cash rules everything around us, so you catch our cream. You fake ass nigga. You flaw ass nigga. I see you over there looking nasty ass nigga. You claim you got tools. Well, our tools bigger. 5 down, 5 pin, so I trigger quicker. You claim you got bars. Well, my bar's sicker. And when TJ get out, he gonna fucking split you. And split you. And split you. And won't fucking miss you. I guarantee you that, cause it won't be an issue. I didn't want to do this, dog. I didn't want to dish you. But you're so bitch-made that I had to get you. You crybaby ass bitch. I think you need a tissue. Especially after that, nigga.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Yeah, that was good. Yeah, that was all shit, man. Yeah, you got him on that one.
Oh, you get it, nigga.
Yeah, nah, that's good. That's good to know, bitch ass.
I'm gonna shout out fucking Palm City boys representing. PC boys all night and day. Get that in there. Unfamed music. It's coming up. That's how I'm gonna come up. Unfamedmusic.com. Willie B is in the works of making the website.
Yo. Where you here first?
Nigga filming it.
Yeah, right here in the back.
Besides all that shit, shout out to Palm City. Representing Palm City, we red, black, and white. That's our colors, nigga. P-Easy, nigga. Remember the name. P-Easy, son.
P-Easy, yeah, hell yeah. Palm City boy, look at that. Look at that right down the bottom. Show him that.
Look at that.
Look at that. What's that? What's that say?
Palm City boy.
Damn, yeah, hell yeah. P-Easy.
Finest right here, dog.
Yeah, you gotta let them know.
It ain't just P-Easy, it's just easy.
Yeah, you gotta let them faggots know, you know.
You know what I mean? But, I don't know, that's what you're gonna get.